Hi friends, my name is Ishan Agiwal. I want to show you my 10 best fidget spinner collection and meet my friend Yug Shah.
Hey, what's up, guys? We contributed a lot of money by his first 10 first ever special fidget spinners. So come over here, Ishan. We are going to check out each and every fidget spinner of his, and then I'm going to give you a little review on it. So now I'm going to hand over the video to Ishan to just open all of the fidget spinners in front of you and show what kind of it is.
Now see my ceramic fidget spinner, guys.
It's looking very nice, Ishan. From where did you brought it?
I have.
Did you brought it online or from
online?
Online. Okay.
By Amazon.
So 1 second. Tell how does it spin? How does it feel?
It is very fast. It is working 6 minutes.
Okay. And stop
fast.
it once and stop it once. We want to see. So as you can see,
this can be spin in this also.
wow, so good. 1 second, Ishan. Can you just open and show it once?
Yes.
I want to
Why
just
not?
check it, how it is. Show me once. This spinner is very good to spin. As I said, it spins for like 6 minutes, guys. So now I'm going to keep this spinner here. Now what have we got next, Ishan?
Guys, I have a metal spinner of Superman. 1 minute,
Wow.
please. See, guys, this is my Superman fidget spinner.
Wow.
See, guys, it is so smooth. It works for 3 minutes.
1 second, can you show it to me, please?
Yes, why not?
Wow, it looks nice. I saw one more fidget spinner. Did you brought it from Amazon?
Yes, my every spinners are of Amazon.
Okay, so keep the spinner aside right here and show us your next spinner.
See, this is my rainbow
Wow,
metal
can you
fidget
see
spinner.
the design of it?
I have
Looks
brought
awesome.
this from China.
Wow.
This works 10 minutes.
Wow, can you show it, please?
Yes.
You can see the design of it. The design is like very nice, and you can see this rainbow colors, and it feels very smooth to spin it. So let's keep it aside, and Ishan, so show us your next spinner. He has got lot of good spinners.
This is
good
also
quality.
from China, and this spinner also works for 10 minutes.
Wow.
And this spinner is China's best spinner. See, it is smooth.
Who bought it for you, Ishan?
I and my mother has gone to China.
Oh. So she gave you a little birthday present, right?
Yes.
Good.
How do you know?
You can see how many spinners he has.
And this is a plastic spinner. It works for 5 minutes.
It
3
is pretty
seconds.
ordinary, but it feels very good. And guys, in the next video, we are going to compare all of the minutes that this spinner works. And yeah, let's just keep it aside. And
I want to show you a fidget spinner of Thor.
wow, this looks awesome.
This is very heavy spinner, but it works for 5 minutes.
Wow, can you show
My
it?
every spinner works 5 minutes, 6 minutes, or 7, 8, 9, or 10 minutes.
Wow,
I have
it's pretty heavy.
collection of more plastic spinners. They are here.
Okay, so he has some more spinners.
There are more 4 fidget spinners.
Wow, can you see this one? It looks good to spin.
1 minute,
It's like
please.
silver, and I think it spins for 3 minutes, right?
No.
So
It spins for kid, I don't know.
Okay, so we are going to just compare it in our next video, but it feels very good. Now, then next we have this is
A
kind
plastic spinner. This I have brought it from Ahmedabad.
of wow. This looks good, Ishan. Can you please hand it over to me?
Yeah. Why?
This is very green, and it feels very light.
It is green like a greenery.
Yes.
Wonderful fidget spinner.
Yes. It is very smooth to spin. It's very good spinner. Next
And
spinner. we have-
This is my second last fidget spinner. It I have ordered by Flipkart.
Oh,
It is very smooth.
It is
this
very
is my
smooth.
fastest and smoothest fidget spinner.
1 second. This you have changed the bearing, right?
Yeah, why do you know?
I know because of the sound. It is very smooth. It's like the best fidget spinner I've held in my hand. Although it's an ordinary spinner, but it spins very nice. You can see how many spinners he has. Yeah.
And see one more training fidget spinner.
Wow.
This is training for balance. This is a balance. You can see these caps are very easy to balance. You can see this.
Can you throw it in the ground and it will still spin?
Yes.
Throw, please.
It
You
is
can
spin.
see that it actually spins, and it's very good to hold and very small. Okay, so now we are going to give you a little review of all his fidget spinners, but first let us keep all of them in a line. Sorry, I can't pause the video because my battery is low. If I'll pause it, the battery will be dead, and then I will not be able to record any more videos. So you can see the
Two rainbow metals.
oh wow, Superman,
Two
ceramic.
fidget spinners
Wow, this looks 5 metals
and
and four.
these are. I have more one fidget spinner of rainbow metal, but I have lost it. His one taps. You can see this spinner. You can see this here. I have lost its cap. I have keep its caps at my second house.
Oh.
See, this is the spinner of Amazon. It works for 5 minutes 30 seconds.
Wow.
This is my most favorite spinner forever. Thank you
Okay.
for seeing this video. We will give one more video when our exams will be over.
Okay, guys. So now he thinks that he will finish this video up. If you guys like this video, then make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. His channel is very awesome, and as I told you, he told you when our exams will be over, we're going to compare all of these spinners spin time. So now
You can see the spinners, 3 rainbow metals, 2 metal spinners, 1 ceramic and 5 plastic spinners.
okay, guys. So after this,
After my exams, I will buy a new fidget spinner.
and we are going to surely do a vlog on that. And in the next video, we'll surely compare. And in next 2 days, he is going to do a vlog because we are out of town and we have came to a very nice place. I can't tell you the name, but it's very good. You will recognize it and put down in the comment what you like. Also, we are giving these 2 rainbow fidget spinners. If you want to enter this giveaway, make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe to his channel, turn on the post notifications, subscribe to Yuksha, turn on the post notifications, and you will be surely entering the giveaway. The giveaway the next day. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys really liked it. Like, share, and subscribe as I told you. And don't forget to comment. Okay, so bye. We will see you in the next video.